Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be reviewing all my pliers. So right here we have like a decent pair of pliers. It's more like work pliers, but it's still pretty good pair of pliers right here. You got this thing, I don't know what that's for, this nail file, and let me push them in. This knife right here with the safety clip. Safety clip's always good. And for this we got whatever the heck that is. Screwdriver, circular thing, and scissors. Let me test out the scissors. Solid pair of scissors. This is more like a working pliers. Still good. Right here, we got cheap pliers. Still has like really good. Got like some cutting right here. Bit of space. It's a decent pair of pliers and got like a lock on it. Good pair. Right here is this is one of my favorite pairs of pliers. It's like the same as the first, but a lot lighter, bounce back. Got this knife, no safety lock, but still pretty good. Got whatever these two things are again. Just tell me in the comments what they are. Got a saw, which I don't know why you need that for fishing, but still. Got a pair of scissors. We'll get that out in a second. Got one of them random things. I don't know who actually uses that stuff. Then got this scissors right here. It's like a smaller pair of scissors, but still decent. Also comes in like this bag here, which makes it easy to store. No scratches. That's good. This right here, this is my big pair of pliers. Got a cutter right here. And all the other things a plier has. Comes in a solid case. And if you're wondering what this is just to put it on your belt. Just a stretchy thing. Anyways, that was reviewing all my pliers. Bye.